Jochiw thieth e pacho ka mong'ere kaka Kenya National Union of Nurses dwaro mondo oketh board mochung'ne weche mag omenda mag rutaya mano the Local Authority Pension Fund mapiyo ka gibuogo donjone boardno e doho kuom ketho mar tiyo marach gomenda. Kotelnegi kod jagoro margi mar riwruogno Seth Panyako ne giwacho ni boardno nolosi ataro mar chik ka jotelo moko to tiyo marach gi apisino ka giyako luch jo-Kenya ma yutogi ni piny. Panyako jiwo jotend migawo mar weche omenda ma pacho ka Njuguna Ndung'u mondo kaw okang' mar loso board manyien kowacho ni kaponi odek loso wachno to nok mar omenda biro bedo kaponi kochopo kinde mag rutaya.
Niko na wasiwasi kwa sababu wakati mnaweka wanasiasa kwa pesa yetu ya uzeeni, mtafanya tukue kama wale wazee wa kitamba ambao hawakuwa na hizi funds, ambapo tukiretire tena tuanze kuuza zile vitu ambazo tulikuwa tunanunua tukiweka kama za watoto wetu na jamii yetu. So we are calling upon the government and upon those leaders of those institutions to change so that we might have the workers as part of the management.
We have politicians and brokers who are now managing our funds. Just as my colleague has said, then it means our funds will get lost somewhere. And when they get lost somewhere, in old age, it means our workers will suffer. So we are calling upon the new minister who is going to be sworn in today that her first task is to make sure that they dissolve that board and with immediate effect.
If that does not happen, we will take the next step next week, move to court, stop those boards from operations, and ask the court to direct for lifestyle audit.